Hello viewer, I'm Rakib-The from Bangladesh. I have just completed CS50 project number 0 of web programming with Python and JavaScript. Now let me show you the quick demonstration of the project. For this, on the search bar, I'm typing the URL of the file. I'm pasting it here, and here we go. We are in the index.html page. The page is similar to Google own search page, and on this page we have a search bar, a Google search button, and a I am feeling lucky button. And on the top of the corner we have two links. One of them is advanced search and another of them is image search. On the search bar, if I type any keyword, for example I'm typing here Harvard and press enter, it will bring me to the Google search result page. I'm going back, and if I type here any keyword again, for example I'm typing here now dog, and press the Google search button here, it will also bring me the Google search result page. I'm going back again, and if I search here Harvard again and press the I am feeling lucky button, now it is redirecting me, and here we go, we are now in the Harvard.edu website directly. I'm going back again. Now on the corner we can see two links, advanced search and image search. If I click on image search link, it will bring me to the image search.html page. This is the page for image search. On the search bar, if I type here any keyword, for example I'm typing here dog and press enter, now it is bring me to the image search result page. Here it is. I'm coming back again. On the corner of the page we can see there is a link, Google search. If I click on this, I will be bring back to the index.html page. Here it is. We came back to the index.html page. Now if I click on advanced search link, it brings me to the advanced search.html page. Here it is. Now if I type fill the form, for example I'm typing here Python, and here for framework, and here for example PHP. And if I click on advanced search, it brings me to the search result page. I'm going back to the Google search page. So that's it. Thanks for watching.